Is 60 years old too old for men to have a baby?
We never know when will life end.
Do you agree with some people that say it's unfair to the child and mother since the father won't live too long?
They are too old already. No need to have a kids. Just enjoy their life.
Hi! Welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. My name is Lorie. In today's video, guys, we are going to interview Filipinas from Bicol, Philippines, and we are going to ask them, is 60 years old too old for men to have babies? What is your name?
Jeremy,
Jeremy, nice to meet you, Jeremy. How old are you?
22.
22. And are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
Single. How long have you been single, Jeremy?
Since birth.
Since birth. Wow, that's very beautiful. Okay. And you, what's your name?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. Wow, Queen Elizabeth. Okay, and how old are you, Elizabeth?
21.
21. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
Single. How long have you been single?
Since birth.
Okay. So Elizabeth and Jeremy, they're both no boyfriend since birth, right? Very beautiful. I'm so proud of you too. And what course are you taking?
BS English po.
BS English, bachelor and secondary
Secondary education.
major in English. So the same with you, right? Is 60 years old too old for men to have babies? Yes or no?
It depends po.
It depends. Why did you say it depends?
Kasi po, kung pwede naman po at kaya pa naman pong buhayin, bakit naman po hindi?
Yes, she has a point. Okay, so for her, yes, 60 years old is not too old to have babies because if he could, what do you call this, support the kid, then why not? Do you agree with some people that say it's unfair to the child in mother since the father won't live too long? Mag-agree ka ba? Yes or no?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Why?
Because kung if gusto po talaga nilang magkaanak at magbumuo ng pamilya, bakit hindi naman po?
Ah, that's very beautiful. So what Jeremy said, if they really want to build, their family, if they want to have child, then why not, right? In your opinion, is 60 years old too old for men to have babies? Yes or no?
It depends po.
Depends.
Kasi if kaya din po and kung gusto, bakit hindi?
So if the 60 years old man can have baby and if he really want to have a baby, then why not? Okay. And how about, do you agree with some people that say it's unfair to the child and mother since the father won't live too long?
Um,
Do you agree? Yes or no?
no.
No. Okay, why?
Kasi po, we never know life. We never know when will life end. Kaya I disagree.
Oh, so you disagree because of that. What is your name?
Janine Rodriguez.
Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Um, ano, hindi natin masabing in a relationship kasi hindi pa namin nilagyan ng label for now.
Okay. She couldn't say that she's taken because she's not with anyone or there's no label between her and then that person. But totally, you're single, right? Yes. Okay. How long have you been single?
Since birth?
Since Wow, since birth. Okay, beautiful. Okay, anyway, Janine, how old are you?
I'm 20 years
20
old.
years old. And what course are you taking?
I'm taking business administration, major in human resources.
And what year are you now?
And second year.
2 more years, right? Then
Yes.
you will graduate. Perfect. 2 more years. Okay. Anyway, here is the question, Janine. In your opinion, is 60 years old too old for men to have babies? Yes or no?
For me, no. Baka may reason para ibigay ni God yung tamang time para sa kanila magka-baby.
So what Janine said, no, because who knows that God gave that child to them at that age, right? Okay, did I translate it correctly?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so it's God's will, right? If God wants him to have baby at that age, then yes, right? Why not? Okay. For the next question, Jeneline, do you agree with some people that say it's unfair to the child and mother since the father is, since the father won't live too long? It's unfair. Do you think so?
For me, it's not unfair because um there is right time for them to have a baby, and basta kayang suportahan ng father yung baby, yung yung family niya, nandiyan siya nakasuporta sa kanya financially, and physical support, yung mga pangangailangan natin, and yung ng family natin, it's okay for
It's
me.
okay. You mentioned earlier that in the right time, if what did you say exactly? You said that if you'll have a kid in the right time. Do you think 60 years old is the right time to have kids for men?
For me, hindi din kasi no. And for me, mas maganda magkaroon ng baby at a young age para at least meron tayong quality time with our child.
I got confused because earlier she said that she mentioned that for in the right time, if you'll have kids, then go like that. So I asked her if 60 years old is the right time to have kids. So now she said no, because if you can have kids at the younger age, then that's better because you will have more quality time with the kid and then of course your family. But to answer the second question, she said earlier that um you don't agree to those people that say that it's unfair, right? Okay. Because she said that as long as he could support the kid and then his family financially and physically, then go for it, right?
Yes.
What is your name po, ma'am?
I'm Venus Buhayo.
Venus. That's a very beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Ma'am Venus. I thought she's the owner of this shop. I said, Mom, you don't look like you're the worker. You look like the owner of the business. How old are you po, Ma'am?
I'm 48.
48.
Yeah.
And you're married, right?
Yes.
How long have you been married po, Ma'am?
22.
Wow. What's the secret of long marriage, Ma'am?
Patience,
Beautiful.
sacrifices,
Sacrifices.
understanding, especially.
And how many kids do you have, Ma'am?
For
4 kids. Okay, very beautiful. 4 kids. Okay, anyway po, Ma'am Venus, here is the question. In your opinion po, Ma'am, is 60 years old too old for men to have babies? Yes or no?
for me as it depends. It depends maybe because if the 60 years old man, she he can is that he can support his family whether he is 60 years old if he is financially stable. But if the man is poor or finance have financial problem, I don't think he is capable of having
Okay.
kids in that age.
So,
Because so many senior citizen, because he is already senior citizens, they have so many illness. Sometimes they are disabled. That's why.
that's why. Okay, so if he is financially stable, then he can have babies, right?
Yes, it's very advantage because
How about mom? How about if he is 60 years old, poor but physically fit, like he looks like let's say 40 years old or 50 years old. Do you think he could have babies at his age?
I'm not,
No,
no.
no. So you based on if he's financially stable, then go for it, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, but that's your opinion. That's mom opinion. Okay. For the next question, mom, do you agree with some people that say it's unfair to the child and mother since the father is, 60 years old and he won't live too long. Mag-agree ka ba dyan? Yes or no?
Yes, because we don't know our lives, how long. That's why if it what is that?
That's why if he's too old already,
They are too old already. No need to have a kids.
to have a kid.
Just enjoy their life.
Ah.
For
Just enjoy their life.
yes.
Okay. Mhm. May we ask, ma'am, how old is your husband?
47.
47. Also, you're
48.
48. Okay. You're 1 year old older than your husband. I see. And 4 kids.
Yes.
Wow.
In my age, I don't like anymore to have a kids because in my part, my kids are already in college. It's very expensive.
Expensive.
Yeah.
But anyway, thank you so much, ma'am Salas.
Yes.